Hello, everyone. We have events coming up. What are they? We have events coming up with what? What, you say? Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 events and other creators. What are they? All right. I am going to tell you about April. April is military and first responders with Crafty Chef Diamond. And the 80s with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. And there may be a surprise giveaway. Oh! That's April. These two events are with Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. Make sure you friend that Facebook group. May 3-year celebration. Disney. Crafty Chef Diamond again. She's so much fun. She takes you to all the parks. And superheroes in May with me. Yes, with me. Pampered with diamonds. And next we have June. A trip to the beach. Who loves the beach? Not me. But who loves the scenery at the beach? I do. With diamonds and things, Lois. Go check her out. And also for June, we have On the Farm with True Vampire Crafts. She's the shop owner of True Vampire Art. Go check out Min's. Her farm videos, the event is on the farm. No start, no finish. On the farm, things that when you look at the picture, you think of a farm or a ranch. They qualify. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm doing for some of these events. But I'm going to put this down for now. I know you guys love this. Okay. For April, military first responders with Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. I'm not doing that one. Sorry, Crafty Chef. I really need to try to catch up on some things. But if I do find one, I will join if it's not a big one. And it's first responders. It's anything red, white, or blue. Ooh, I do have something. I think I may participate, Laura. I have something. It's a partial and it's red, white, and blue. Police, fire, EMS, nurses, doctors, ambulance. There's a Randall Spangler out there with all emergency people and an ambulance in the background, or is it a fire truck? I don't know, but firemen, anything, hospital, anything that is Air Force, Navy, Marines, Space Force, I don't know, anything military. Could be a pair of boots, could be a uniform. It's all related to first responders. Excuse me. The 80s. Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. I'm doing this. These hit the spot right away. You know what I mean? Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner may have a surprise giveaway. I don't know. And she's probably going to do flashbacks to the 80s and talk about Probably all these things and then some from the 80s. She may have you do a scavenger hunt to look for these things in your homes. How many of you still have a cassette player at your house? I know we do. So stay tuned to Scarlet. And then we have May, 3-year celebration Disney. I'm doing this one, but I may change my mind and save this for Star Wars. May the Force be with you in May with another creator. But I have plenty of Disney ones that I got from Walmart. You know the ones. So I may do this for May the Force be with you. And superheroes. And then, oh, let me tell you, with Disney, you can do anything. With almost any of these creators with Diamond Painting Friends 2.0. You can do coloring sheet. You can do puzzles. You can do paint by numbers. Anything. Like anything. You can do a puzzle for sea life. Coloring books. This is butterflies and flowers. I'm sure there's an event coming up where you just need those and you see flowers on the farm. Yeah. Or the ranch. And this is landscapes. Look at these coloring books. Oh my goodness. City. Buildings. Oh, there's a card. We could have done that one for planes, trains, and automobiles. I mean, a farm. Maybe you live on the ranch in the country and you see roads and trees. Perfect. That's just some examples, guys. You can do anything, anything. Diamond paint, coloring sheets. Who knows? Whatever you think you want to do is you write a little story to tweak it to make it fit. All right, superheroes. I am doing this one for superheroes. Isn't he gorgeous? I just love him. He is, what is his name? Captain Marvel. I'm doing Captain Marvel. I will have a giveaway of a superhero painting. Same size, just different character. And you may have already seen it. So join the superhero event. Doesn't have to be a big canvas. No start, no finish. Very relaxed. You know the drill. But I may do a Google form because everybody's names are, you've heard me on my lives. Your names can be different from YouTube to Facebook to your email. And my mind just, I can't keep up, guys. So I need something to help keep you all straight. So I may do a Google form, and I'm understanding more now why there are some people that only do Google forms. It makes so much sense. And I used to do them when I worked at the library. To join the summer reading programs, people had to fill out a Google form. Yep. So stay tuned for more information on superheroes. June. A trip to the beach with diamonds and things. Lois. Keep an eye on her YouTube channel for more information on that event. I'm sure in May she'll put a post up sometime near the end of May on the group. But in the meantime, keep an eye on her Facebook. Her YouTube. Sorry. And on the farm, True Vampire Crafts, Mins. She's doing on the farm. No start, no finish. Has to just do with a farm or a ranch. And I am doing, to include both of their events, I'm doing the animal edition of Dreamer Designs Minis. Because there's a dolphin in there, there's an elephant, there's a horse, a hummingbird, a wolf, a tiger, a peacock, an owl, a lion, a cat. right away I'm seeing animals that fit both sides of that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do for On the Farm / ranch and a trip to the beach. I'm doing these. All right. So April, May, and June with Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 is complete. Okay. Well, let me still have you look at my face, my beautiful face. All right. For April, I'm doing Legendary Lubica 2026. And you all know what I'm doing. I'm doing this little guy right here. So cute. It's empty because it is kitted up. I haven't started it yet, but it is kitted up. You've seen the video today. Okay. Next, we have Vanna's Crafty Design. The whole year, she's doing different little storefront canvases. She's done the church. She's done, I believe, a music store. So and every month, like April 1st, she will select the next village front. So I don't know. You can probably start with a generic building and then add your letters for whatever storefront or whatever she's going to pick for April. But she does give prize. She does give an Amazon card to the winner. So there is a prize in her event. She does a separate little storefront every month. That's Vanna's Crafty Design. Okay, Diamonds and Stuff is doing Walk Like an Egyptian. Yep, she is. Check out Wendy, Diamonds and Stuff. So you do have to email her kind of quickly to let her know what you are going to be doing for Walk Like an Egyptian. Check out her channel. She did do an informational video on it. So go check out Wendy. She is the wife, by the way, of Neil, who's doing Planes, Trains, and Auto DP. So we have Starlight Starbright 70. She is doing an Easter theme. Anything Easter, anything Christ-like, church, a cross, an Easter bunny, an Easter basket, Easter eggs, pastel colors, anything that looks like Easter to you. And then we have Black Dahlia Diamond. She's doing Dragon Mania 2026. Go check it out. Mindy's Diamond Moment. She's doing Mother Earth this month for April. Leopard Leatherworks, Carrie and Tim. I'm sure you know them. They make the pens. Did I just make a rhyme? They're doing Springing In with Kepner. You know the guy. The very purplish canvases with the cats and the kittens and the little, I think he's done dragons too. He's got some really cool pieces. So you have to have a Kepner piece, Jeremiah Kepner, to do that, the Leopard and Leatherworks event with Carrie and Tim. Cora, the principal painter, and Mysteria Diamonds and the Diamond Painting Accountant are doing the Dakota-thon. Yes, they are. Go check them out for April. That's the Dakota-thon. Diamonds by Tita! All About Gracie is April. Animals, wildlife, water life, anything that has 4 legs or fins. Go check out Tita, because it's all about celebrating her little doggy, Gracie. Gracie's been a little under the weather, so shoot a few good vibes and prayers that way so that Gracie gets better. We don't like to see our pets not feeling good. So check out Diamonds by Tita. What else do we have for April? I'm sure Ladybug DP24 and more. I'm sure she's doing something for April. Go check her out. Don't know what it is yet. So for May, we have Starlight Starbright. She is doing May the Force be with you, meaning work your stash, be strong, do what's in your stash, don't buy anything new, work your stash. And then for June, Star is doing grannies. You know, there's a bunch of little canvases out there with grannies and grandpas. I think that's what she's talking about. I don't know. You have to go check her channel. She has a Facebook group, and it's listed in the description of any one of her videos, and you can find her Facebook group that way. So that's for June for Star. And Tita, she has everybody choose her themes at the end of each month for the next month. So like I said, Gracie for April's already been decided, and that's what we're doing for her. What else do we have? That might be all I have for April. May, April. How does the months go? May, April, May, June. Guys. All right. So if you check out Speaking of Diamonds, Rich, he put out a 1.5-minute video on some upcoming diamond painting events. Some of them are large, some are small. Some of them are a smaller channel piggied up with a big channel, like Diamond Painting Tammy with NMD and Speaking with Diamonds. Speaking of Diamonds, they're doing Oz in August. That's August, and I went out of order. May is May the 4th be with you. Speaking of Diamonds and Diamonds and Dogs. Go check them out. And then I happened to see in Speaking of Diamonds in that video, they're doing a Oz in August, and there's 3 hosts. Tammy, NMD, Speaking of Diamonds, Rich, and then the one and only Berta. So go check them out. So I think that's what I got for May, April, May, and June. So I hope I've given you enough information so you can find an event to do. Now remember, with Diamond Painting with Friends, doesn't have to fit exact. You just have to get close. The same with Stars and Gracie's. So it's really not that difficult to find something to join. That's why we do the events, to grow our channels and our friendships. So go look in your stash. I'm sure you have something, or your collection of your hobby. You can do knitting. Like I said, you can do anything, anything. So if you're starting a garden, I mean, you could tweak that to the farm, I'm sure. So check out these great channels and let me know in the comments what events you are doing. Is there an event I did not mention that you are doing? I'm sure there is. Let me know in the comments and I'll include it in the next Event Friday video. Okay, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. That's me. So, everyone, be kind and have a wonderful, wonderful day.